I'm going to show you how to install the grill guard on the Cat UTV. I've gone ahead and removed the 4 nuts and bolts that secure the front bumper to the frame. First thing we do is we're going to position the grill and align it with the holes. Then we're going to loosely secure it with these bolts. From each side. And we'll loosely tighten the nuts to hold it in place. Go ahead and do the other 2 bolts. Then, using a wrench, 13 millimeters, and a ratchet, I'm gonna tighten them up. And the other side. And the other last bolt. That's how we install the grill guard. For more info about the Cat UTV and all of its attachments, please visit cat.com.